her through the window today. She was sitting in the Silver Spoon Cafe. I started to keep going, but something made me stop. She used to love me a lot. She looked lonely and I knew the cure. Old memories would win her heart for sure. I thought I'd walk on in there and give it my best shot. She used to love me a lot. Sat down beside her and she smiled. She said, "Where have you been? It's been a while." She seemed so glad to see me, Lord, I could read her thoughts. She used to love me a lot. She used to love me with a love that wouldn't die. Looking at her now, I can't believe I said goodbye. It would only take a minute to turn back the clock. She used to love me a lot. Well, I reminded her how good it was back then. And I said, you know, it's not too late to start again. We could spend the night together, take up where we left off. She used to love me a lot. Then I panicked as she turned to walk away. And as she went out the door, I heard her say, "Yes, I'm in need of something, but it's something you ain't got. But I used to love you a lot." She used to love me with a love that wouldn't die. Looking at her now, I can't believe she said goodbye. It would only take a minute to turn back that old clock. She used to love me a lot. She used to love me a lot. She used to love me a lot. She used to love me a lot.
Elijah was a wooden Indian standing over by the door. Fell in love with a Choctaw maid over in the Georgia store. Elijah, ooh, standing there, don't never let it show. She don't ever answer yes or no. And carried this old black hawk. The maiden wore her beads and braids and hoped someday to talk. Elijah, ooh, standing there, don't never show a sign. 'Cause his heart is made of knotty pine. Poor old Elijah, you ain't never got a kiss. Is it any wonder that your face is red? Girl, customer bought the Indian maid. Took her so far away, no Elijah stayed. Elijah